you live anywhere near the state of West Bengal and love birding, chances are that you have already visited this place. For others, this is a must-visit birding location, especially in the months between December and Feb, when various kinds of migratory bird species fly down here. And before I forget, this place is called Purbasthali Bird Sanctuary, located in the Burdwan District of West Bengal, India. This place had been in my bucket list after watching several amazing videos and pictures of birds taken by fellow photo enthusiasts on Insta and YouTube. We reached here early in the morning around 7 and started our boat ride. You watch birds while being on these boats, and if you are a photographer, then the boatmen usually recommend 2 adults in one boat. Now, the boatmen in general are very knowledgeable about the bird species, and depending on your preferred species, you would be taken to different spots in the wetland. We wanted to see the osprey, so we got started towards the open river Ganges, where it is seen on a regular basis. The water here seemed to be pretty clean, so I could not resist to put the camera inside water, but looks like there are other photographers who started earlier than us and are already on their way to watch the osprey in action. On our way, we started watching some other species. On our screen we can see a swallow busy with his morning grooming activities, and kingfishers are very common here. You get to watch kingfishers, several varieties of them, and this one looks pretty comfortable with human presence. In general they are, because they see a lot of humans, farmers, people who come for photography, and other nature lovers around them, so they are very used to human presence and they don't get alarmed even you are pretty close to these guys. Now here we are navigating through the narrow canal to enter the river. This canal is lasts for around 10 minutes, and the look and feel kind of reminds you of Amazon jungle and is known as the Amazon of West Bengal. Now once you are done with this canal, you will end up in the main Ganges river, and as soon as we landed in the Ganges river, our boatman was able to spot the structure of a bird sitting on this bamboo structure, and started navigating towards it, and it was indeed the osprey. What a beautiful bird. The variety of osprey that is found in India usually migrate from Russia. Now the bird was sitting without any fish, we were told by the boatman that usually they just come and sit, and then they will find the fish from a nearing pond and then come back here and then finish it off, and then they will fly away again. So in this case the fish almost is half eaten. It has got a portion of the tail remaining. So usually the behavior for the osprey is it will kind of hop in between different spots and finish off the fish and then finally leave. And as expected, it has found another spot. It is resting, and then from time to time it was having bits of the remaining fish. It was a real windy day, and I'm sorry about the shake in the video. I was not using a proper tripod handheld. This is the shake I was getting. I'll try to do better next time. And finally, our friend decides to depart, and hopefully, we'll see him some other day. And this is a silverback Jacana. It has got big foot. If you want to see the breeding of the Jacanas, you typically have to visit during the summer months. And a purple heron. A funny guy. And these are the Pochards. Now again, a species that migrates from Russia. This was the breeding season for the Pochards. And one of them has found a pair. Again, an open bill Stork. Yeah, stilts. The cormorants usually are the first ones to get hold of fish, and once they are able to catch a fish, the best thing to do is to go somewhere secure and private and finish it off. These are known as the lesser whistling ducks and are very common in Purbasthali. The breeding for these ducks happens in Asia alone, and they usually fly in groups from one place to other, making a whistle kind of sound. Now, I just wanted to add that wetlands are important for birds because they provide safe nesting, breeding and feeding and shelter locations. Now, migratory birds, resident birds, wetlands and human beings are all part of a delicate interconnected ecosystem. Paying attention to small things like waste management, not playing loud music around their habitat, not harming the birds in any way, shape or form can go a long way in ensuring that our friends visit us each year and the resident birds thrive as well. Thanks for watching until the end. Please consider subscribing if you like the content. There's more content that I'll be publishing very soon. So until next time, goodbye.